Camp and I were feeling kind of silly today, so he went out of the car. But I need to pee, so I gotta wait for the porta potty to be open. We were gonna drive to Morgantown and hike during the snowstorm down there, but I guess the news lady said the visibility while driving was gonna be bad, so I didn't want to risk that. So we're just at a park near our house, and it was supposed to already be snowing, and it's not. I was kind of hoping we would be able to hike during the snowstorm, but maybe it'll start while we're in there. I did drive the truck just in case, because I don't know how heavy it's supposed to come down. But we'll see. Also, I got some new cool things. I already told you guys I got a new camera. I also got some bags to carry my extra lens. So now, I don't have to just pick a lens to take with me. I can take both of them. And I'm going to try it out today. See how easy it is to swap them out while I'm hiking. And just in case, I got my heated gloves with me as well. I'm gonna go pee real quick. The guy just left the bathroom, and it's gonna be a cold piss. It's gonna be a pretty cold piss. But what are you gonna do about it? I gotta pee. All right. Well, it's saying the snow's gonna start at 2 o'clock. It's 1:30. So we'll probably be hiking in it for about an hour if it does start at exactly 2. Surprisingly, there are some other people here, but that's kind of why I hate this park. The one I want to hike at is still closed for hunting until Christmas, so that's like, if I want to hike anywhere during a snowstorm, it's that park I always go to. But of course, they're closed for hunting. With my luck, I just know that once they open back up, if it does snow, it's going to be while I'm at work. And then by the time I get off, it's going to be melted and just a muddy mess. So, like, I'm a little bummed. Oh my god, it's like, the ground is so hard. I have spikes with me, so I haven't gotten to try them out yet. Maybe I'll try them today. It is starting to snow like a little bit, but it's just like tiny little flakes. Alright, it's coming down now. So, this is what it looks like before. And we'll see how much we get by the end of the hike. I don't even think it's 2 o'clock yet. It hit early. I'm trying to practice. I was taking a couple pictures. I'm trying to practice shutter speed. I want to capture the snow falling. And I'm still learning. I'm honestly not even sure if I had the shutter speed set fast enough to get it. I'm hoping I did. So we'll see when I get home and throw it into Lightroom and shit. But I love snow. Oh my god. I love snow. I love snowstorms. And Pennsylvania used to be a good area for it, but we haven't been getting much. But so far this year, this will be our second bigger snow. So we'll see if we get any more. I guess for the 2026 season. I think last year we got like one big one. What the hell is that? I must have bonked my noggin. I don't know where Camp's going. Off the trail. He's such... Yeah, now you got a stick attached to you. I don't know why I'm struggling so much this year. I feel like last year I didn't have as part of the time getting out of the house after work and getting on a trail. I think after the park I go to opens back up, it'll be easier. It's just I get home and then I'm like, I really don't want to come here. I don't like coming here that much. And everywhere else, all the other trails that I actually like are too far away to get there before it gets dark. So, but this is cool. Because, like, I'm actually watching it come down instead of, you know, sitting in the house and I see that it starts snowing and then I look away and then there's snow blanketing the ground. Like, I'm actually physically watching it cover the ground, which is fun. And I'm not sponsored by Free Country, but I want to hype this coat up. It's so nice. It's got 2 layers. So this outer shell and then the puffer jacket. And you can zip the puffer jacket in, which I do in the winter. And then, like, in the fall, or like a little bit later spring, I'll just wear the puffer, or I'll just wear the shell. And you want to know what? This is the kids' coat. I got this in the kids section for $60. The adult version was like 120 or whatever. So yeah, all you small people out there, make sure you shop in the kids section for everything. That's how I get most of my shoes too, and pants. Sometimes it is nice being short. But anyways, we're maybe about 15 minutes from the pond. Maybe the light blanket of snow will be cute. I was honestly hoping to get here when it was already snowing, but it was already 1:30 and it hadn't started yet. So, like, I had to come out because I can't get stuck in the dark out here. The park doesn't stay open past dusk. Oh shit, I can't get over there. They took the tree away, but there's a little waterfall over there that's frozen. There, all the water's actually frozen. That's so cool. Camp wants in, but it's frozen. Buddy, you can't get in today. I can't wait until the park I go to does open back up because I want to do some winter stuff there, and hopefully it does. Fingers crossed it does snow again. If I have to go this whole winter being cold and rainy, I'm gonna lose it. I need snow. If it's gonna be cold, it needs to do this. I bought ski goggles, and I think today would have been a good day to wear them. I hate when there's water on my glasses, but whatever. Oh my god, and snow keeps going in my eye too. Hopefully this bag is doing its job and not getting my camera wet, because that would really fucking suck. We're coming up on the pond. Oh my god, it's frozen. It has snow on it. Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. This is what I wanted. Oh my god. Thank god. Oh, the ponds at the park that I go to are probably like this. And it looks even better there. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Alright, I gotta take some pictures. It just sucks because the trees back there are all dead. That park I like going to has, I think it's Eastern Hemlock and white pine. I'm not super familiar, but it's a fern tree. There's a bunch of fern trees behind the ponds, and it looks so cool. It looks so fucking good in the winter there, but we'll make do with this, I guess. Oh my god. So I think I figured it out, and the snowflakes are also bigger, so it makes it a lot easier. I think I just got the cutest fucking picture of camp ever, and I'll put it in the video as long as it turned out nice. I so hope it does. I hope it does so bad. I might slip here. Okay. I didn't slip. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the video. It's good. I haven't switched lenses yet. I haven't needed to. Camp's getting the zoomies now, which is dangerous in the snow. Realized that whole thing was recording in slow motion. Basically I said I haven't had to change my lens yet, and climbing up that hill, you really have to dig your heels into the snow because it's not super thick yet, and it's kind of just slippery. So these downhill sections are a little treacherous. A trail runner ran by us. I would love to get into that, but my knee's been feeling better. It hurts right now though, because I've been having to take some really weird steps. Can't. I should have put the spikes on, to be honest. But we're good. We're Gucci. We're getting there. Gotta cross this stream, so give me a moment. Alright, cross the stream. I would love to get into trail running. It's just, maybe I have to start it in the summer, because in the winter my knee hurts really bad. It's felt better this year, and I don't want to put more stress on it. So maybe after 2 years in the gym, so next October, I might be ready to try and start running again. Every time I film, I get the snow in my eyes. Up the hill. Up the hill. He is pulling me this time because the trail runner is in front of us. I was just gonna walk up this and end the hike, but he wants to go on this one, which it'll just connect further up, which fine by me. It's just gonna take longer than walking straight up. Hey, this way. It's just slippery. And I'm not familiar with this trail, so I don't know if there's any big downhill portions or not. We'll figure it out. We'll find out. Alright, we made it back. The truck wasn't really covered. I guess it was still just too warm. But oh my god. Yeah. So what you don't want to do is sweat, right? While I sweat. But we're good. We made back. The road, well, the park road is like fine. Can't speak for everywhere because PennDOT is very hit or miss. You never know with them. I drove to work after our first bigger snow, and my neighborhood looked fine, so I took my car and I get to the main road and it was just screwed. And I made it to work, but not into the work parking lot. But yeah, that's the end of the video. We're gonna head home, and I'll see you soon. Hopefully for more winter content with snow, not rain. Yeah. Goodbye. I lied. The roads aren't clear. They're not. If I was in my car, this would probably not be good, but the beast is handling it. The beast is handling it. Hell yeah.